In this question, we're given a cubic polynomial with two roots and we're asked to find the last one. To solve this, we need to use the sum of roots. So alpha plus beta plus gamma equals minus b on a. Now in this question, we'll have minus 1 minus 3 plus alpha equals minus 2, giving alpha as 2, making b the correct answer. This is a classic pigeonhole question where we're given 4 different options and we need at least 20 students from one of the schools. So let's first give each option 19, and then because we need a minimum of 20, we just add 1 to the last one. So adding these numbers together, we should get 77. To solve this question, we first need to graph the problem. So let's first factorize this equation to give us x minus 9, x plus 1, and then we just have to simply graph it. As we know, the roots are going to be 9 and minus 1. From the question, we know it has to be less than or equal to 0, meaning it has to be below the x-axis. So from our roots, we can see it's going to be in between minus 1 and 9, giving us minus 1 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 9. To find the dot product of two vectors, we multiply the I components and the j components and add them together. So multiplying the I components, we get minus 3, and 2 times 4 for the j components gives me 8. So once I add these together, I'll get 5.
To solve this integration question, we need to express this expression purely in terms of u. So we first differentiate u equals x minus 1. That will give us du equals dx. And we also need to make x the subject. So x is u plus 1. Then we sub in x, which is u plus 1. And root x minus 1 is u from there. And dx is du from here. And then we expand. So u times root u is u raised to 3 by 2. And 1 times root u is u raised to half. Now to integrate, u raised to 3 by 2 is u raised to 5 by 2 times 2 by 5. And u raised to half is u raised to 3 by 2 times 2 by 3. Finally, we can sub in u equals x minus 1 back into this expression. So 2 over 5, x minus 1 raised to 5 by 2 plus 2 over 3, x minus 1 raised to 3 by 2.